What if a $40,000 robot could work 12 hours straight, performing surgery with precision beyond human hands, then cooking dinner and folding your laundry that same night? Sounds impossible, right? But Tesla just revealed Optimus Gen 4 specs that blur the line between sci-fi and your living room. While Gen 3 launches next year with 1,500 tasks, Gen 4 promises 5,000 capabilities by 2027. Here's the real question. When robots can replace both your surgeon and your housekeeper, what jobs are actually safe? Let's start with something you probably saw at Tesla's 2025 shareholder meeting. Optimus dancing with Musk on stage. Smooth moves, impressive coordination. But here's what Tesla didn't emphasize. Those were Gen 2.5 prototypes. Experimental units. Not even close to what's hitting the market. The retail version launching Q1 next year, that's Gen 3, and it's already being overshadowed by what's coming in 2027. Musk claims Gen 3 will look so human-like, you'll need to physically poke it to confirm it's a robot. 70% human appearance, movements indistinguishable from ours, possibly an OLED face screen with Grok voice integration. Starting capabilities, 1,500 tasks, expandable to 3,000 through updates. But if Gen 3 can do 3,000 tasks, why is everyone suddenly obsessed with Gen 4? Here's where the numbers get serious. Gen 4 isn't just an incremental upgrade. It's a fundamental redesign of what a commercial humanoid robot can achieve. Battery life jumps from 7 hours to 12 hours. Movement speed increases dramatically. Hand dexterity reaches a level where the robot can open a beer bottle cap and pour it for you, not just fetch it from the fridge. That distinction matters more than you'd think. Gen 3 can grab objects. Gen 4 can manipulate them with near-human finesse. The task count? 5,000 useful functions. Think about what that means. While your Gen 3 neighbor's robot is still learning to fold towels, your Gen 4 could theoretically assist in surgical procedures. Musk made a bold statement at the meeting that sent shockwaves through the medical community. The future of surgery will be done by robots like Optimus, not by human hands. He's claiming Optimus 4 will surpass the best human surgeons in precision, not match them, exceed them. Is this genius-level confidence or dangerous overselling? The medical robotics industry has been working on surgical automation for decades, and Musk is suggesting Tesla will leapfrog everyone by 2027. Let's break down the economics. Gen 3 pricing hasn't been officially announced, but industry analysts estimate $20,000 to $25,000 for early adopters. Gen 4? Add at least $20,000 to that figure, putting it in the $40,000 to $45,000 range at launch. For context, that's the price of a luxury sedan. Except this sedan can clean your house, assist with medical procedures, and work 12 hours without breaks. But Musk has a scaling strategy that could flip this entire equation. Once Tesla hits 1 million units per year, he claims production costs will drop to around $20,000 per unit. If Gen 4 follows that trajectory by 2028 to 2029, you're looking at surgical-grade robotics for the price of a mid-tier car. Does that democratize healthcare or create a two-tier society where only the wealthy have robot surgeons? The production roadmap is even more ambitious. 1 million robots annually in Fremont, scaling to 10 million, then 100 million, potentially reaching 1 billion units per year on Mars. Yes, Musk actually said that. Is he building for Earth's needs or planning a robot army for Mars colonization? Here's where Tesla's demo videos get interesting. Optimus 2.5 already vacuums, takes out trash, wipes counters, stirs pots, serves popcorn, and distributes Halloween candy. These aren't groundbreaking tasks individually. Plenty of single-function robots do this. But what happens when one machine does all of them, learns your preferences, and operates continuously? Tesla leaked footage shows something more revealing. Optimus self-balancing when pushed, sorting delicate objects without breaking them, and learning skills through AI simulation without explicit programming. That last part is crucial. Traditional robots follow pre-programmed instructions. Optimus learns and adapts. If it can teach itself to fold laundry by watching videos, What stops it from teaching itself surgery the same way? Musk's homemaker comment wasn't about replacing domestic workers. It was about eliminating the need for human labor in repetitive household tasks entirely. The robot can work 24/7, doesn't need sleep, can operate while plugged in continuously. At what point does helpful assistant become, I forgot how to do basic tasks myself? Here's the part that should genuinely concern you. Optimus isn't just a physical machine. It's a connected AI system processing sensor data, making real-time decisions, and learning from experiences. Musk himself warned, we have to be careful about Optimus being potentially used in ways that are bad. Translation, if someone hacks the control systems, they don't just crash your robot, they weaponize it. Imagine thousands of Optimus units in hospitals, factories, and homes. One compromised command could turn medicine delivery into poison distribution. Dramatic? Maybe. Impossible? Absolutely not. Tesla's building multi-layered security, data encryption, real-time monitoring, AI firewalls, automatic safety locks triggered by abnormal behavior. They're implementing remote control protocols so humans can intervene instantly. But here's the twist. Optimus learns and self-adjusts through machine learning. How do you secure something that's designed to evolve beyond its original programming? Every cognitive leap increases security risks. The smarter Optimus becomes, the more valuable it is as a hacking target. Musk insists it won't go public until completely safe. Given Tesla's history with autopilot safety controversies, should we take that promise at face value? While everyone compares Optimus to Boston Dynamics' Atlas, the real threat might be coming from China. XPeng, yes, the EV manufacturer, just announced mass production of their iron humanoid robot starting 2026. Feminine design, solid-state batteries, 3 proprietary AI chips. Their CEO predicts selling more robots than cars within 10 years. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Atlas was never designed to compete with Optimus. Boston Dynamics built Atlas for research, backflips, rough terrain navigation, complex movements. It's a technical marvel that costs hundreds of thousands of dollars. Optimus is designed for mass production, cost optimization, and practical daily tasks. Different philosophies, different markets, different futures. But XPeng, they're targeting the exact same market as Tesla. Consumer-grade humanoid robots for homes and factories. If China scales production first and undercuts Tesla's pricing, does the entire robotics race shift east? Musk's most controversial claim, AI and robots will replace all jobs. Working will be optional. He compared it to growing your own vegetables instead of buying them. Technically possible, but why bother? Is this visionary thinking or a billionaire romanticizing unemployment? Let's be brutally honest. Optimus can't replace doctors yet. Current prototypes handle basic tasks. It can walk, bend, move light objects, perform simple operations. The gap between can fetch items and perform surgery with superhuman precision is enormous. Surgical robots like Da Vinci already exist and require years of development, FDA approvals, and extensive testing. Tesla is promising to leapfrog that entire process by 2027. Meanwhile, the homemaker applications are already viable. Restaurants, hotels, warehouses, retail stores. Any environment with repetitive tasks is vulnerable to automation. Not in 10 years, starting next year with Gen 3. The question isn't whether jobs disappear, it's how fast and whether society adapts in time. Musk suggests Optimus will eliminate poverty by creating economic abundance. But if millions lose jobs to robots while only the wealthy can afford robots, doesn't that accelerate inequality instead of solving it? Every demo video is carefully curated. Smooth movements, successful task completions, impressive capabilities. But where are the failure compilations? How often does Optimus drop things, lose balance, or misinterpret commands? How many software crashes happen during 12-hour operation cycles? The robot sorting tiny components in factory simulations looks flawless, but industrial environments have chaos, unexpected obstacles, and edge cases that test AI systems. Tesla factory workers reportedly watched Optimus handle tasks that stumped new human employees. Impressive, But what percentage of tasks does it actually complete without human intervention? Here's what we know for certain. Gen 3 launches Q1 2026 with 1,500 tasks. Gen 4 arrives 2027 with 5,000 tasks and 12-hour battery life. Pricing starts around $40,000 for Gen 4. Everything else, surgical precision, job elimination, mass production scaling, remains speculation backed by Musk's promises. The question you should be asking isn't whether Optimus will change the world. It's whether it will change your world in ways you're prepared for. So here's the answer to our opening question. When one machine can perform surgery in the morning and cook dinner at night, the real disruption isn't about replacing jobs. It's about redefining what humans should be doing in the first place. This is exactly why Musk keeps mentioning Mars production. You don't send humans to build an entire planetary infrastructure. You send 1 million robots first, then billions. Gen 4's 12-hour endurance and 5,000 task capability, that's not designed for your kitchen. It's designed for environments where human labor is either too expensive or literally impossible. 2026 brings Gen 3 to market. 2027 delivers Gen 4 at $40,000. But watch what happens between 2028 to 2030 when production scales and prices collapse. The question isn't whether this technology arrives. It's whether society adapts faster than the robots deploy. We're tracking every development as Tesla pushes toward mass production. How do you think your industry changes when 12-hour robots cost less than annual human wages? Drop your predictions below. This is Tesla Zone, where we cut through the hype and show you what's actually coming. The robot revolution isn't decades away. It's launching next year, and we'll be here breaking down every update. The future isn't asking permission. It's already being manufactured.